Tomorrow I have a meeting with a foreign client. I never use chopsticks to eat. Today I'm going to use a chopstick. Let's see how it works. Oh, it's so frustrating and I don't know how to use it. I can't even pick dry fruits. What should I do?
Here, you have a demand chopstick trainer. Separate the chopstick and fit it into this tool. Now try it.
Wow, it worked very well. Now I can eat the food. That's amazing. It works very well. It's small, lightweight, and easy to use. Can I use it over and over again?
Yes, it's a reusable tool and also easy to carry. Let's practice how to attach the trainer with chopsticks. Pick any chopstick and place any of the gaps and turn little any of the sides. Pick another one and do the same. Just keep in mind both sticks should be at the same height. That's it, you are ready to go. Use it to eat your food easily.
Today I got the most beautiful tool for the chopstick. I'm really happy to use it. While you are waiting for it, let's get it and make some fun.